Let's take a look at the way that you post on BeReal. If you are new to using BeReal and haven't added in any post, let me show how it is done. First of all, open up the app of BeReal and then you can tap on this camera icon that is visible on the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on the camera icon, your camera will open up. Now first of all, the BeReal will open up the back camera, and once you take a picture, it will open up and instantly switch to your front camera. So you can just tap on this button right here and it will take a picture. After that is done, it will automatically take a picture from your front camera. So this is the way that you take a picture inside of BeReal. First of all, it will take a picture from your back camera and then it will automatically switch and take a picture from your front camera as well. Once you're done, you can now select a audience. If you tap on this option right here, you can have options of sharing it to your friends, either my friends plus their friends as well, or you can also make it public. So depending upon what you need, just select your options, and you can also add in music or connect to Spotify. If you want that, you can do it and then tap on send. And as easy as that, if you head over to your profile section on the bottom right, your BeReal will start to appear that you just posted. It will also be visible on the top of the section inside of your home page. So this is the way that you post on BeReal. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.